Imagine a world where your favorite videos, articles, and designs are created in minutes, not by humans alone but with the help of artificial intelligence. What if I told you, the content you're consuming right now might have been influenced by AI? Curious? Let's dive into how AI is revolutionizing content creation and why it matters to you. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's reshaping industries. From automating tedious tasks to unleashing creative potential, AI is everywhere. But here's the big question: is AI making content creators obsolete, or is it their ultimate creative ally? Stick around to find out how AI is stinging, or maybe saving, the future of content creation. Let's start with a simple yet mind-blowing fact. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Runway AI can now generate scripts, design thumbnails, and even edit videos faster than most professionals. But how did we get here? The rise of AI in content creation isn't accidental. It's fueled by the demand for faster, smarter, and more personalized content. Here's another question for you: if AI can do all this, what's left for human creators? Let's find out. First, let's talk about creativity. AI doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. Take graphic design, for example. Tools like Canva's AI features allow creators to design professional-grade thumbnails in seconds. But here's the twist: AI can only enhance your ideas, it can't feel like you. That's where humans step in, to add emotion and storytelling. Now, think about the time spent editing videos or writing scripts. AI tools like Descript and ChatGPT are game changers. Descript can transcribe your audio, cut filler words, and even create voiceovers in your own voice. It's like having an assistant who works 24/7 without coffee breaks. But here's the catch: does automation mean losing the human touch? Not quite. Automation gives creators more time to focus on what truly matters, connecting with their audience. The real power of AI lies in personalization. Imagine an AI tool that analyzes your audience's preferences and suggests content ideas that will perform best. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok already use AI to recommend videos tailored just for you. So, here's the question: will AI take over creative decisions, or will it guide creators to make smarter choices? The answer lies in how we use it. Is AI stinging the future of content creation? Not exactly. It's evolving it, making it faster, smarter, and more personalized. But here's what's exciting: AI is only as powerful as the creator behind it. Question isn't whether AI will replace creators, but how creators will adapt to use AI to their advantage. And that's where the future lies. Now, here's something for you to think about. If AI can predict what your audience wants, what's stopping you from creating the next viral masterpiece? If you're ready to explore more about AI, tech, and the future of content creation, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's create smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.